プラニオおめでとうございます。
The Ruby Business Global Award 2016 is hereby awarded to Planio GmbH in recognition of outstanding achievement in Planio. So that's steering Committee of Ruby Business Grand Prix and Shimane Prefecture. Congratulations.
おめでとうございます。
I'd like to introduce Planio to you by telling you a short story. The parent company behind Planio was developing a software solution based on the programming language Ruby back in 2007. And together with our clients, we always used the open source project Redmine to provide transparency and include our clients in the projects. The projects went incredibly well, and at the end of the project, usually the client asked us, can we keep the project management tool? So after this happened a few times, it made us think maybe we can provide hosted Redmine as a product, and we called it Planio. Planio is improving on Redmine by adding a beautiful new design, responsive layout, smartphone applications for Android and iOS. It has integrated team chat that people can use to communicate within their projects. It has agile boards that can be used for Scrum, Kanban, traditional project management methods. And all the improvements that we make to Redmine, we not only provide online and using software as a service, but also we contribute most of it back to the open source community. So Planio is not a fork of Redmine. We maintain a branch and we merge Redmine releases regularly. Right now, Planio has become a major contributor to the Redmine open source project. And of the recent release, Redmine 3.3, Planio has contributed over 20% of the features. Some of the features you may know if you have used Redmine before: the global add button, security notifications, the responsive layout that came out recently, sudo mode, and over 100 security patches and bug fixes have been contributed to the open source project by my company Planio. As a company, we have grown over the past 7 years to 19 members. We're serving 1,500 companies worldwide today, among them Mercedes-Benz, Citrix, Seagate, and other large companies, and we're very honored to be serving them. In conclusion, I'd like to say that open source business based on Ruby works. And an announcement for 2016 and going forward to the next year, Planio is going to Japan, and we have partnered with Far End Technologies Limited, who is an active member in the Redmine community. This is where we met through working on open source, and now we're working together in business. And I'm very happy to say that Planio is available in Japan, fully localized with Japanese support since September 2016. You can try it out online if you like. Thank you very much. Oh, I was quite nervous before, but now I'm very happy. I'm very honored to have received the global prize at this year's Ruby Biz Grand Prix. And I'm very thankful also to all the community members in the Redmine community and all the contributors at my company that I can be here today. It's a great honor. Thank you. It was actually back in 2006, so over 10 years ago, that I was introduced to Ruby when I was still a student. And we had a university project with Ruby. And before I was using Java and PHP and some Microsoft languages. And since I first learned Ruby, I've always developed everything with Ruby, and the whole company is actually built on Ruby because it's a very great language. It helps us to develop software very quickly and deliver products fast. I think it is, as I said, a great honor that we won this prize. And since Planio is expanding into the Japanese market with help of our local partners, Far End Technologies, I will hope that this prize will give us some recognition in the Japanese market and hopefully attract more companies to Planio, which I would really enjoy.